So here's a tornado siren. It looks a little bit similar to one. Yeah, I forget what it is. So if anyone knows what kind of tornado siren this is, please let me know. It's behind a fire department. Yep, they got that at the top. And they have multiple antennas up on the tornado siren too. So here's the boxes for the controllers to it. Yeah, it's I remember hearing this tornado siren go off at one point, but it's made of a wooden pole. But yeah, there's the box controllers and everything. So yeah, it's if anyone knows what kind of tornado siren this is, please let me know. I think it might be some kind of 130 or something. But there's a lot of those 130 tornado sirens in my area. The Federal Signal 130 or whatever. But mostly in my area is with the Thunderbolt tornado sirens.